Your product quality is much better than your competitors, but still customers don't give you a higher price. Well, business owners, you are not alone. I hear this very often. Business owners say, I don't get a higher price for my superior quality and I lose profit. मैं क्या करूं? Hi business owners, this is your business coach Nalin Mehta. Welcome to my talk series क्या करूं, specially recorded for you. This is my second video on the topic. Do see my first video also, where I explain how quality is not just durability. It needs to be aligned to the purchase as well as the usage experience of the customer. There is going to be a third video also, and I urge you to see that one too. First of all, my compliments on your focus on quality. As I said in my first video, quality is a result of better design, material, and most importantly, superior processes. Maybe design and material gets copied, but processes are surely not easy to copy. Quality is definitely the most sustainable leadership strategy that any business can have. You of course have to deliver quality at the visual level, initial usage level, as well as in the long-term usage. Details are elaborated in my first video. Do see that. I have no hesitation in repeating this from my first video. No one pays for quality. Customers pay for a superior experience. Now often we think, since I make a superior product, I have put money behind reliability, durability. I stand out among competitors in quality. I can afford to be ordinary or as good as others in after-sales service. You're not entirely wrong, because your product will require less service support, but you are not entirely right either. This is because, however superior your product may be, some breakdowns will definitely happen. They could be because of wrong usage, mishandling, or even bad maintenance by the customer. And bad news like a breakdown, irrespective of whose mistake it is, travels a long way. It will nullify 10 times the good work that your good quality may have done. And therefore, it will obviously hamper your ability to get a good price for your good quality. So what I want to tell you here is that you may make the best quality product, but you still must be a leader in service response time. Please note the words I am using carefully. I am saying service response time. You may think and ask me that you are putting more money in superior design, material, processes, and now I am asking you to put more money in service too. How will you make profit? Well, you will save money because your product will need service less frequently. You will have less warranty cost. You will have a smaller number of complaints, or the complaints will be mostly minor in nature. Your cost of after-sales service will definitely be lesser. Therefore, I repeat, note the words I have used. You need to be a leader in service response time. This could be through simple means like a responsive call center. This could be through simple means of having extensive reachable service tie-ups. But it is the response time that will make all the difference. Leadership in quality coupled with leadership in service response time will act as a force multiplier. To summarize this second video, once you ensure leadership in quality at visual level, initial level, and long-term usage level, Please ensure leadership in after-sales service response time. No need to have leadership in quantity of service. Make sure you deliver the best response time. It will not really cost you more, but will significantly enhance your ability to get a higher price. Hope this Kya Karu video gave you useful insights on how to get a better price for your superior quality. This is my second video on the topic. Do watch the third video also. Thank you very much.